Well, this video here is for all you people who have Ford Tauruses and Ford vehicles in general. And I got an '04 Taurus. They're notorious for when you hit the key, everything lights up. It looks like it's going to go, and it doesn't. So I'm going to put this video out there for all you poor people who had to go through what I went through. A lot of people end up replacing starters, alternators, and everything else, thinking that's a problem. Not so. If you have a problem with the thing not with it showing fire and it just won't start, locate your starter. It's right underneath your oil filter, and just lightly tap it with a hammer, and chances are she'll fire right back up. And it just got on a flat spot on the armature of the starter, and you'll be off and running again. So here's to us.